Today I'm going to tell you why you should still get the Phantom 4 over the Mavic 2, all those new drones, because it's cheap, it's still a great drone. But first, let's roll that intro. First of all, the Phantom 4, due to being out for 2 years now, has come down in price a lot, but still is a great 4K camera and stabilised gimbal. Due to the Phantom 4 having large motors, it's great in strong wind. I have flown this drone in 30 mph plus with rain and hail and snow, and this drone still works perfectly. The DJI Phantom 4 has a 4K camera with an amazing gimbal, so you get perfectly cinematic shots from the air. This is why this drone is great. The Phantom 4 has a great battery. It lasts for 30 minutes, which gives you a ton of time to get to those amazing cinematic shots. The Phantom 4 was DJI's first ever obstacle avoidance that they put in the drone. Now you can see the Phantom 4 Pros and the Mavic 2s with all these sensors, but originally this is the first ever drone to have obstacle avoidance. This is why this drone is famous. Now let's cut to some B-roll shots of the Phantom 4 flying and some footage so you can see why this drone still rules the skies. So that's why the Phantom 4 still rules the skies. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching.